Welcome to Fact Friday, and today's topic is Inflammation Nation, the hidden reason you feel awful. This is your Daily Spoonful, and I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor. Let's talk about why you might be feeling awful, tired, puffy, foggy, and just off. What you're feeling is inflammation, the kind that starts silently inside your body. And it's measurable with blood tests like C-reactive protein, or better known as CRP, and interleukin-6. They are often elevated in people with metabolic dysfunction. And what drives that? A steady stream of high carb and processed foods. Every time your blood sugar spikes, your insulin rises. Over time, that begins to trigger your immune system to treat your own tissues like the enemy, and that's inflammation. But here's the good news. A ketogenic carnivore lifestyle can dramatically lower this inflammation without medications. When you cut the sugar and the starch, insulin drops, blood sugar stabilizes, and your immune system calms down. Less, less inflammation, fewer symptoms, and real healing. So here's today's nugget. If you're dealing with chronic symptoms, don't just treat the pain, treat the fire that's causing it. If you want to understand how food fuels or fights inflammation, watch my full video on inflammation to learn how to quiet the immune storm and finally feel good again. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.